All right. These are the modded elevators, and they are doing this one currently at the Plaza. They're Haughton, modded by Dover, now modded by Otis. Still have the old Haughton door sills. Oh, hold up. You coming, Nate? Might as well.
Might as well.
Oh, they're still unlocked?
Yeah, they are. And they're not DDS. Ain't that a miracle?
Yeah. Going down. I guess this one's the service elevator. Hold it, hold it. Thank you. Oh yeah, that's where you call it. All right. One.
You're just doing one ride on these? This is the modded elevators.
And there's no fun lobby panel for them.
No, there's not. I wonder if they're just gonna cover it up, that old one, make it up.
Yeah.
Probably.
I didn't even notice that side had a screen.
Yeah, there's an LCD. Maybe.
Right. There's the Dover again.
No,
That's it.